Printbox is an innovative platform designed specifically for entrepreneurs and businesses wanting to dive into the world of custom product creation and dropshipping. Once you log in, you're greeted with a sleek, user-friendly interface. Printbox specializes in helping users design and sell personalized items such as photo books, calendars, and mugs, making it an ideal choice for creative entrepreneurs looking to expand their offerings. Its robust design tools provide templates and options for beginners and experienced users alike. Simply upload your designs or use their intuitive editor to create eye-catching products. You can integrate Printbox with your existing e-commerce store or leverage its standalone solution to kickstart your business. With competitive pricing models and flexible production options, the platform adapts to your needs, whether you're scaling up or starting small. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Printbox also offers automated order fulfillment, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your store rather than worrying about logistics. Its customer support team is available to assist with setup and operational challenges, ensuring a smooth experience. The platform provides analytics tools to help you track performance, making it easier to identify your best-selling products and adjust your strategies accordingly. Ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and let's conquer the world of dropshipping together.